You may notice several changes after reaching 40 years of age. Slower metabolism, poor liver and heart functions, malabsorption of certain nutrients, increased oxidative stress on the organs, stiff blood vessels, and changes in cholesterol metabolism are some of the changes your body goes through. But do you know how important it is to focus on the vital nutrients that often become less as we age? Yes, vitamins are a must thing that you should never ignore because all your vital functions are carried out with the help of these vitamins. For example, suppose your diet is deficient in vitamin C. In that case, you may observe symptoms like fatigue, easy bruising, bleeding gums, and poor wound healing. And if you are deficient in vitamin B12, you may feel tired, numbness, and tingling sensation in your hands and feet. But do you know a deficiency of vitamin can affect your cardiovascular health? Yes. Several vitamins can lead to altered cholesterol metabolism, thereby raising LDL and artery plaques. Well, in today's video, I will discuss what vitamins can help maintain better cardiac health even after 40. So stay tuned and watch this video, and even if you have any doubts, you can contact us anytime. Hello, I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating cardiovascular disease with natural and holistic therapies. So let's come on to the topic. If you are 40 or above 40 years of age, the one very important vitamin you must focus on is vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D is not just bones and it's crucial for heart health too. Some studies indicate that vitamin D helps to regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. Whereas, if you are low in this vitamin, you are prone to hypertension, coronary artery disease, and even heart failure. Now, the question is, what should be an optimal level of vitamin D in your blood? It should be 30, but a range above 50 can cause potential side effects. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, but it should be taken with magnesium and vitamin K2 to direct calcium to bones rather than to blood vessels, which may increase the risk of calcium deposits in the arteries and contribute to the heart disease. For vitamin D, you can consume low-fat milk, mushrooms, fortified cereals, and fortified plant-based milk. Now, the second heart-healthy vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the arteries. Well, do you know what research tells us about vitamin E for the heart? Vitamin E can help prevent LDL cholesterol from turning into sticky artery plaque. Thus, it helps reduce the risk of coronary artery disease and atherosclerosis. Well, one more and very important benefit of vitamin E is that it reduces the risk of non-fatal myocardial infarction, heart attack, and cardiovascular death, as claimed by some research. But the important question is, how much vitamin E should be in your diet? Well, the daily recommended dose is 15 mg per day. Now, if you are thinking about what foods you should consume, so they are avocados, red bell pepper, kiwis, wheat germ oil, and soybeans. Now, the third vitamin is not a single vitamin. It's a group of B vitamins. They are vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin B12. These vitamins helps lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that causes inflammation, and when accumulated in high amount can damage artery walls, contribute to clot formation and blockage, and raise the risk of heart disease and stroke. After 40, people experience fatigue, muscle pain, and low mood. The B vitamins also support red blood cell formation and energy metabolism and reduce fatigue. Low levels of vitamin B12 and B9 can lead to anemia, which can cause heart palpitations. You can consume low-fat milk, leafy greens, fortified cereals, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. I hope you understand how these 3 vitamins can protect your heart health. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others so that they can also take benefits, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for health related interesting videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.